Hey beauties, so you may have seen this hairstyle a lot lately. That's because it's trending. It's called the knotless braids with curly ends or the Coi Leray inspired hairstyle. This video is in collaboration with SM Beauty. I received their products from the brand Touchdown Haircare. I got the Touchdown Edge Grow in the scent cherry mango, coconut, and pineapple, and their miracle grow oil. And if you're interested in these products, they are available in your local retail store. For this video, I will be using the cherry mango scent. So I'm starting off on stretched hair. My hair has been in these twists for the past week, so it's pretty stretched, and I'm not going to use heat on my hair. I forgot to show you what hair I'm going to use. This is the hair I'm going to use. Expressions. These are very long, so I'm going to cut them in half. And these braids don't have a name, so I don't know what the name is of these braids. So I'm not going to ramble any further. So you guys, I'm not very great at parting my own hair. You may see some crooked parts, but let's not focus on the negative. Yes, let's just focus on the end results, because that is what matters.
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. So tell the world I'll write a book when I'm finished. I should thank your mama, yeah. Look at what she made, sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it, want it, want it, want it more than I want to. I want it, want it, want it, want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it, want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to. You won't catch me interested, I'm way too selective, but you're catching my interest, and it's working so effective. Got me seeing colors Picasso couldn't paint. You pull me deep and rapture me, leave me no restraint. And I should thank your mama. Oh, look what she made. Lord, I'm sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it, want it, want it, want it more than I want to. I want it, want it, want it, want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, can't see you with nobody else. It would eat me up alive. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. Baby, you know that it would eat me up. Hey, I want it, want it, want it, want it more than I want to. Yeah, I want it, want it, want it, want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying, I'm receiving everything I want from you. I want it, don't you know I want it more than I want to.
So you guys, we've come to the end of this video. That was it for my Coi Leray inspired hairstyle. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!